So I got my camera charged up, and in this movie I might sound a bit weird because I have a terrible cold and my voice is just all over the place. Anyway, I want to start here with my beautiful Olivetti Lettera 33. I got this typewriter yesterday from somebody who owns like an old people home, and somebody deceased, and they were throwing away their stuff when they found this typewriter. It still has this original ribbon in it. I cleaned it out beautifully I washed the cover and I cleaned the keys, and it is beautiful condition now. It is just amazing how it looks. It has the signature red Olivetti tabulator button and tabulator settings on this side. I haven't seen many of these around. When I got it, it was dusty and it had white paint all over the case and over the letters. It was not white out because there were drops. I think it was just paint or something like that. It could be white out, I don't know. Anyway, it was white. It was really hard to get off, so I scraped it off with my nail. And yeah, I think most of it is off. I don't know. You can see a bit there. That's what it was all over the place. So it wasn't even black, it was just white. But it looks amazing now. It mostly is, I think it's metal. The black parts are plastic, but under there is metal. It's just like a beauty cover. It has nice big letters on the keys. This is the side. It should have the emblem, the Olivetti emblem here, and then beside that Olivetti Lettera 33, but apparently it isn't. So, well, it doesn't really matter. So it has here big, like the foldable paper support. It has a foldable lever. I'll take the case off. Look how shiny here. I'll show you how shiny the case is. Isn't that beautiful? It came with one original Olivetti spool. The other one was a plastic one, but I looked in my typewriter box, which I will show you in a minute, and I found a second Olivetti spool, metal spool. So it has now original spools. I just want to give you a tip: if you are trying to sell an Olivetti to a professional typewriter collector or repairman, make sure you have the original spools with it. If you don't, you can't ask that much money as if you do. It needs to have all the original parts. I had an Olivetti which I had to sell eventually because I had it like 3 times double. So I sold that one, and it didn't have the original spools on it, and the woman asked me who was going to sell, which was a professional actually. She owned this, I think she works at the type and write shop here. In a typewriter shop here in town, so that's why she wanted to buy it. And she said, "Do you have the original spools?" And I did actually. So she gave me some extra. She paid some extra because I had extra spools. So make sure you had the original spools for your Olivetti chef, like the standards, like which my Linear 88 had. And I will show you my Lettera 22 in a second. And also has this original spools. It has only one original screw, I'm afraid, because the other one is missing. So they used just this screw. So I already cannot ask that much money as I would if I had this really beautiful clean keys. It took me 4 hours actually to clean this typewriter off, even it's this small. I didn't even get to finish the whole part, like you can see here behind the keys. It's still dirty. I will clean it eventually, but not right now. It has a really amazing good condition platen, like it hasn't been used in a lot of time. It is smooth and you almost cannot see the pattern of where it has been typed. I cleaned this out too real nice. This was also white out. You can still see a bit in there, and I reached that with nothing. So overall great looking typewriter. Put the case on back. It is black and red ribbon in it. The case closes with 2. Wait, I have to open up. You see that thing over there? There's another one over here. That one was bent down while the case didn't close like this. When I push this one down, this one stays up, like you can see. And you couldn't close this one. Now I can push down, it stays closed. This is the margin release. There's a carriage release here. There's a carriage lock on this side. It is a pretty wide typewriter. It is even, I think it's just square. And there's a bit bumpy. It is scratchy under there, but it's okay. There's a carriage shifting. At the back it says Olivetti Canada Limited, Don Mills made in Canada, so it's a Canadian typewriter. Let's see here. It comes with this case, a silver case, and it also has the original manual with coffee stains on it. You can see, I knew there had to be something there. You can see the Olivetti symbol, Olivetti Studio, no, Lettera 33. What I liked about this picture of the typewriter is because it is a black and white typewriter, but before they gave this away they indicated the red. This is somebody painted over that when they were making the manual. It is, I think when you buy another one of these with them hang, you'll see the same thing. I figured out this is painted after the picture was taken, so that's pretty funny. Yeah, it is a picture. Here it's another typewriter. It has some writing on it. Can't really make out what it says. No, I can't say here. I don't know. Yeah, it has all the important features of the typewriter. Of course, it had more, but it says shift keys and type guide, backspace key, paper release lever, all that, and it's explained here. So yeah, like I said, it comes in this case. I cleaned that one out too because it was dusty and dirty and had all greasy and disgusting things over it. There's the color selector. So yeah, this is my it is a 69 actually. It's a 69 Olivetti Lettera 33. Thank you for watching the video.